Hi and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit trouser hooks with our green machine. Now your trouser hook die comes in 4 parts for the 4 individual parts of your trouser hook. We'll start off by going through each individual die set and then we'll pop them together. So I have some cotton fabric here and I'm going to start by taking this base die, which looks pretty funky. This is going to be paired with this part here, the hook of my trouser hook, and it's going to have 3 prongs on the back. And what we're going to do is we're going to find that slot on the side here, and that's going to get pushed right into that, and it slides right into place. And that can sit on the bottom of the machine. That's going to be paired with this top die here. So we'll take that and we'll screw that right into the top of the press machine. Okay, let's take the material and I'm going to push those spikes through that material just so they're popping out like so. I can now take the backing plate for this, which looks like this. I'll flip it over, and I'm going to place that right on top of those spikes. So pop them spikes through the holes, just give it a little push. Okay, and now that's sitting on top, we can just compress this down, slide this back out at the bottom. We can see that the backing there, where all those spikes are folded over, and then your hook is on the front. Effectively, how we want to do this is I want this to hook round and hook in somewhere here. Once we've worked that out, it's going to help us determine where our next parts are going. So we'll take these 2 dies out and it leaves us with our last 2 dies. So we're going to have this die here. This is going to hold the main bar. So that goes into the bottom, and then this is your top die. Again, this is going to fold over the spikes of your bar against the washer. Fantastic. So we'll do it together. I'll take this part. I want this to hook in about here. So this is where I want my bar to be. Here is the bar with the 2 prongs on it. I'm going to pop that onto the base die. I want to take the material and pierce that fabric and have those spikes go through. I can take the washer, push that on top, and then we can compress that down. Now that that is in place and the bar is there, should be able to bend this round and hook that into place. Let's see if I can show you that it's hooked, just like so. And there you have it, you fitted your trouser hook.